If you want to transfer data from your old phone to Samsung Galaxy A27, what you can do is you can use the Smart Switch app, which we already have on our Samsung Galaxy A27. So if you go to the app drawer, then over here we can go to the Samsung folder and you should be able to find Smart Switch. This is the app that we can use in order to transfer data between smartphones. And besides that, of course, we need to have exactly the same app on our old phone as well. So if your old phone is also a Samsung Galaxy smartphone, then there is a very high chance that you already have the Smart Switch app probably in the same place. However, if you have another Android, any other than Samsung, or if you have iPhone, then of course in that case you don't have this app. So you need to go to the Play Store or App Store, and then you have to simply search for Smart Switch. So just simply search for Smart Switch in the Play Store or the App Store, and then you should be able to find the app. Of course, we want to install it. In my case, I have to update it because I already have it on my phone. And once you have access to the phone, then of course, you want to, if you have access to this app, then you want to open it straight away. Of course, grant all the necessary permissions to be able to make it work. On Galaxy A27, we're gonna tap on More and then Continue. We need to grant all of these permissions, so let's tap on Allow. Now we can start transferring data. First, of course, we need to connect both devices together. So in this case, I want to receive on this phone because we want to transfer data to this phone. And then we need to choose the source. Now, in my case, it is, of course, Android, but I'm going to also show you how to do that with iPhone. And then we need to scan this QR code. So let's tap on Let's Go on our old phone. Then we have this QR code scanner. So let's just point under this QR code and wait for both devices to establish the connection. Once both devices are connected, then your Galaxy A27 is going to scan and search for all the data that can be transferred. And then you should be able to choose whatever you want to transfer. You can, of course, transfer everything that you have on your old phone. You can also just transfer accounts, calls, contacts, and messages. Or you can choose the custom option, and then if you tap on a next, then you can decide exactly what you want to transfer. In my case, I'm gonna just transfer a couple of images in here. Most of the time, you can also tap on this arrow over here to find exactly everything that you have on your old phone. So you can choose specific files probably that you can transfer. And once you select everything that you want to transfer, just tap on this transfer button and wait for it to be done. Of course, the more data you have to transfer, the longer it's going to take to transfer everything. So you need to be patient and keep that in mind that it might take even an hour sometimes to transfer everything. So once we are done, just tap on Done on the old phone. Over here, we're gonna tap on Done as well. And of course, now we have everything transferred, whatever we have selected. And as I mentioned, I'm going to also show you how to do that with iPhone. In this case, of course, we want to open Smart Switch as well. We want to receive on this phone, and then you want to choose iPhone/iPad. And you can decide if you want to transfer files wirelessly or with a cable. So if you have a cable that fits both your Galaxy A27 and your iPhone, then you can use that. In my case, I'm going to choose to transfer wirelessly. Of course, we need to get the Smart Switch on iPhone as well. So you can go to the App Store and just simply search for Smart Switch. There we go. And you should be able to find Samsung's Smart Switch Mobile. Let's open this, tap Let's Go. Here I'm gonna also choose wireless, of course, and let's go next. And then we should be able to scan the QR code over here. So let's quickly do so. There we go. Now once we scan, we want to, of course, tap on Join, and we should be able to connect both devices together. So just patiently wait. And then we should be able to, of course, wait for the scanning thing. So now here we want to once again choose whatever we want to transfer. I'm going to transfer images only as well. And you have to keep in mind that in the case of transferring files from iPhone to an Android, you cannot really transfer everything. For example, apps cannot be transferred. You have to use the Play Store on your Galaxy A27 and download every app that you want to use by yourself manually. But once you are ready, just tap on the transfer, wait for everything to be transferred, and there we go. Once it is done, just close the app on your iPhone and just wait for Galaxy A27 to be done as well. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.